How to remove the Buy It Now button on the Shopify Horizon theme. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to remove the Buy It Now button in the Shopify Horizon theme. First of all, open your Shopify dashboard. From the left side, go to Online Store and click on it. Once the page is open, on the right side, next to your current theme name, click on Edit Theme. A new tab will open, and this is your theme editor. Now we need to navigate to the page where we want to remove the Buy It Now button. From the top menu, open the Page Navigator and select Product Page. You can follow the same steps for any page depending on your needs. Once the product page loads, you can clearly see the Buy It Now button on the screen. To remove it, look at the left side under the Template section. You will see Product Information. In this drop-down, you will find Buy button and click on it. And here you'll see the third option called Accelerated Checkout. To remove the Buy It Now button, simply click on the eye icon next to Accelerated Checkout, and the button will disappear instantly. And there you go. The Buy It Now button is removed. To apply the changes, go to the top right corner and click Save. Once the changes are saved, open your product page in a new tab and refresh it to check the update. And as you can see, the Buy It Now button has been successfully removed. And that's it. This is how you can easily remove the Buy It Now button on the Shopify Horizon theme. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.